there, but then the best of all the years can find. Every now and then I get a little bit terrified, then I see a look in your eyes, bright eyes. Every now and then I fall apart, bright eyes. Every now and then I fall apart.
Oh my God! Wala na yung karaoke ko. Tayo tayo.
Every now and then I get a little bit helpless and I'm lying like a child. Every now and then I get a little bit angry and I know I'm going to get it.
Kaya yan.
Every now and then I get a little bit terrified, but when I see the look in your eye, turn around, bright eyes. Every now and then I fall apart, bright eyes. Every now and then I fall apart, and I need you now tonight, and I need you more than ever, and I only hold me tight. You'll be holding on forever. You'll make it right. 'Cause we'll never be wrong. Together we can take it to the end of the line. Your love is like a shadow of me all of the time. All of the time. I don't know what to do and I'm always in the dark. We're living in a powder keg and give up a spark. I really need you tonight. Forever's gonna start tonight. Forever's gonna start tonight. Once upon a time I was falling in love. Now I'm only
Puro mga heartbroken na mga
There's nothing I can do until I the clears of my heart. Once upon a time, I was fighting my life, but now there's only love in the dark.
Meron naman.
Until the clears of the heart.
Naku, mababa.
www.entertain.com.
Oy, bakit nasa 90 na si Kim? Sa'yo rin tayo. Kayo din talaga ako. Kayo yung akin. Kasi kayo i-jump kayo.
Mapunta sa Ellen DeGeneres.
Ellen DeGeneres na yan!
Nothing I can say, a total eclipse of the heart. A total eclipse of the heart.
Gawin mong 90.
Total eclipse of the heart.
May ganun ka pa? Gusto ko yun.
Turn around.
88 na lang. Turn around daw. Ano masasabi mo?
Yeah, baby, I made it to the top.
Dagdagan ng isa, 88 ka na 97.
Ibabahan tuloy.